In this video, you will learn how to make effective slide design PowerPoint presentation. So, let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Shapes, select Rectangle, rotate like this. Duplicate the shape, place it, and set it like this. Select this shape. Go to Merge Shape, select Union. Select this shape. Go to Merge Shape, select Subtract. Do the same for all. Select this shape, rotate, increase the size, duplicate the shape and set it like this. Select this and this shape, go to Merge Shape, select Subtract. Do it for other shape. Go to Shape Field, select Color, Shape Outline, select No Outline. Click on right button, send to back. Zoom the slide, select this, go to Insert, click on Picture. I have downloaded a picture from Google, select it and insert it. Click on right button, cut the picture. Again, click on right button, go to Format Background, select Group, click on Picture or Texture field, insert from Clipboard and click on Rotate with Shape. Select No Line, go to Shadow, select Inner Shadow. Go to Insert, click on Text box, write your text here, select and change the font, make it bold, increase the size, press Ctrl Shift, drag to the downside. Remove bold and decrease size. Add information here and adjust. Now click on Slideshow. So, see friends, our slides looks beautiful. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.